If your furnace is cycling on and off way too often, it's probably messing with your comfort and hiking up your energy bills without you even realizing it. Alright, so first check your thermostat settings because sometimes it's just set too sensitive or in the wrong mode, which makes the furnace freak out and switch on and off all the time. Next up, dirty air filters are a huge culprit. If they're clogged, air can't flow properly, so your furnace works harder and cycles more. You gotta swap those filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on how dusty your place is. Also, take a peek at the flame sensor. If it's dirty or malfunctioning, it can cause the furnace to shut off prematurely. Cleaning it gently with some fine sandpaper usually does the trick. Make sure your vents aren't blocked or closed off because that messes with airflow too. And hey, sometimes your furnace is just too small or too big for your space, which makes it cycle off balance. So if you keep having issues, maybe get a pro to size it right. Lastly, keep an eye out for any strange noises or smells. Those can be signs something's off inside. One of the biggest mistakes people make with furnace cycling problems is ignoring the dirty air filters. This is hands down the top search engine keyword for furnace care. Fix this by swapping your filters regularly, and you'll see way fewer on-off cycles. Another common issue is thermostat mismanagement. People set their thermostats to super sensitive modes or weird temperatures that confuse the system. The fix here is to set a steady temperature and avoid constant adjustments. The third big problem is a dirty flame sensor causing safety shutdowns. Just take it out and clean it carefully to keep your furnace running smooth without random stops. These fixes not only help with furnace cycling, but also boost heating efficiency and save money. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for folks who want to find trusted local contractors without the usual headache of searching everywhere. It's also a great platform for contractors looking to connect with homeowners who really need their skills and want reliable work.